ain't in the music no more, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody selling music. Welcome to the journey. My name is Will, producer, recording artist, go by the name of Secret Life of Will. But yeah, I will be your host. So if you're a new artist or you're starting to now try and take it more seriously, you're trying to scale your thing, I got some things for you that might just help. Especially if you're like a fresh artist, you just starting right now. Got some things for you that might just help you, man. 5 things. Before we get into that, I'll tell you a bit about this here series called The Journey. So the series is gonna be all about how the business runs, all the behind the scenes things that people don't usually let you see. We're gonna be going through the whole range of everything from producing beats to recording, mixing, mastering, to packaging it, to promoting it, to marketing, to merch and sales and booking shows and everything in the scale of what it is to be an independent artist and run your independent music business. We're gonna try some things might not work, some things might. It might be good, it might not be, but ultimately we're gonna be learning together. So yeah, without further ado, them 5 things, let's go. Alright, the first thing is, it's not as easy as just like, oh yeah, I'll record a song, I'll slap that on SoundCloud or YouTube or Spotify or whatever, and then just sit back and watch the numbers racking up. And there's so much more involved. There's, especially if you don't really know the business, if you don't really have any idea of how the business works, there's so much other stuff that goes into it, you know what I'm saying? You got obviously like the production side of things, you got all the marketing and all that stuff, you got doing merch runs and like booking shows and launches and releases and everything. There's so much more to consider, I think if you have that in your mind, you stand a better chance of being able to navigate. And most of the time people kind of learn that as you go along. It's been like some years of you doing the same thing over and over again. You're like, oh, how do I do this? Boom, switch, and then you start to learn. But start now, begin. Takes me to my second point. You gotta develop skills, even if it's just basic skills in whatever it is that's surrounding you, right? So for me, myself personally, I started off just as a rapper, recording artist, and then through necessity, couldn't get hold of beats, couldn't, get in studios with producers or whatever. I had to do it myself. I had to get my own equipment. I had to learn that stuff. And then, just keep practicing and practicing. I got better, I didn't have anyone that could do graphics for me, so I just learned basic things, and now I can confidently do many things. And also, if I want to like have somebody do something for me, I can kind of speak their language. If I want to get like a music video shot, because I've shot a music video by myself, I'll link that in the description, But yeah, if you want to have a music video shot, you gotta be able to speak the language, you gotta be able to give them an idea in a way that's easier for them to understand and run with your idea and build it in the way that you see it and not how they interpret what you're saying. You know what I mean? It helps. So yeah, just keep learning things, learn about marketing, learn about the actual business side of things, just keep improving, Yeah, develop those skills, keep practicing, keep sharpening, to proficiency, Third point, you gotta treat it like a business. It is a business. You are the business. You gotta treat you like the business. You gotta begin to make decisions that are in the best interest of your business. So that means investing in new equipment, investing in your marketing and promotion and all that kind of stuff, investing in photo shoots and video shoots and all that stuff. You have to do that. You have to put the money in, because you can't make money without money, You got money in, money out. And you gotta begin to look at it more as a business and less of just art or just something that you do, That's if you're trying to build a career out of this, you're trying to be an independent artist, you know what I'm saying, you're trying to be a music entrepreneur. Oh, that's what they always say. It's that, you know, you gotta think of it as a business. It is, you know what I'm saying? Fourth point. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. You know what I mean? You might try some things within the business, they might not work. You're gonna fail. Be prepared to fail. What that means is you gotta be ready. Things might not work, certain things might not really translate how you wanted them to, so you have to take that to the drawing board, you know, you have to take that back and say, what worked, what didn't. Learn from it, grow from it, you know? And yeah, just keep building, you know what I'm saying? But the failure comes part of that, you know? Imagine if you're a new artist, right? Brand new to the scene, you have no idea about anything. You've been doing this for 3 months, and then a song goes viral, you blow up. Good. But then you're not really gonna understand how to move within everything, you know? People are gonna be taking advantage of you, and you know what I'm saying? You want to be in a much better position where you kind of at least know the basics of what you're getting into, so that if something does happen like that, you know what I'm saying, you go viral or whatever, you have a much better chance of firstly capitalizing on that, you know what I'm saying, and building on top of that, you know what I mean? Because you've already got foundation there, and then that's just like sauce on top, so you put more you know what I'm saying, but you can't put no sauce and then the ice cream with there's an order, you know what I'm saying. Foundations first, and unfortunately a part of creating foundations in this thing is you gotta fail, man, you know what I'm saying. You put out a song that should get 10 views, alright, go again, fam. Put out another song that might get 20 views, alright, again, fam. You know what I'm saying, till you hit that target, you just gotta keep going. Everything that doesn't go well, take that, learn from it, grow from it, and keep it cracking, you know what I'm saying? Keep going. Alright, the fifth one, you gotta know what the win looks like for you. What does success look like? Everybody got different gauges of success, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got different levels that they want to get to, but we all call it the same thing, you know? There's different ways of looking at it, you know what I'm saying? And you just gotta pick yours. And once you pick yours, you can't compare your success or your path towards success or your fails with someone else's success, because most likely they're a different part of the story, you know. You can't compare your start of the story to somebody's like the crescendo of their thing and like everything's at max, like you know what I'm saying? You gotta build your story first, you know what I mean? It takes time, takes patience. Ultimately, you're gonna get there, you know what I'm saying? As long as you hold that in your head and say, this is my success. So that's the thing that I'm working towards. Any more than that is a bonus. We like it, we love it, but that's what I'm working towards. So yeah, define your thing. Also, a bonus tip, you have to find other income streams, because one ain't enough. And I think there's like 60 streams of income in music or something like that. There's a whole heap of streams that if you build it right, it's beautiful, you know what I'm saying? Streams, yeah, you know what I'm saying? You get a bit of peace from streaming, you get a bit of money from streaming, but when you're earning 0.0037 of a penny, it's like per stream. For you to even make like an average wage, let's say like, I don't know, between like 12 and 15k, like that's roughly averaging it. For you to do that, you gotta be doing like hundreds of thousands of streams monthly for you to crack that. Like, it's, yeah, it can be done. It's very difficult though. Shout out to YM Drizzy, you know what I'm saying? Hook man up with the Wolf of the North, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy YM, go check him out. I'm gonna link him in the description as well. So yeah, alright, but check it out. If I got 100 pieces, I got 100 hoodies, and I sell them for 50 quid each. That's $5,000. Oh, is that $5,000 or 50 grand? 5? I think it's 5. Yeah, math is bad, but yeah, you get the point. That's much faster, you know what I'm saying? And it's not as astronomical a number as thousands or hundreds of thousands. I gotta like sell 100 of these to make $5,000. just like that, you know what I'm saying? There's other streams of income that you could tap into, even like doing videos. Same scenario, might not be loads, but if you're getting both, if you're getting streams and streams on your videos and stuff, it's like it's all coming together to create your income, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it is what it is. The money just ain't in the music no more, you know what I'm saying? Anybody selling music, it's all the other stuff, the shows, the merch, the experiences, the stuff, you know? So I've created this channel as like I was saying, a behind the scenes look into all the stuff, you know. I'm going to be showing you how I record, I mix, I master, I promote, make the materials and do all that stuff. Saying if you want to see content like that, if you want to see more things like that, or if you want to hear perspectives on certain things, which I also will be doing from time to time, well actually most of the time, go ahead and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? If you found the information in the video helpful, like the like button, I think that's one. Hit that, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe is also in that general direction somewhere, I think. Yeah, so hit that, you know what I'm saying? And again, welcome to the journey. See you soon. Peace.